Welcome to vSkills YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about the top interview questions for world-class manufacturing. So, let's get started. Question number 1. What do you mean by world-class manufacturing? The answer is: world-class manufacturing is the philosophy of being the best, the fastest, and the lowest cost producer of a product or service. It implies the constant improvement of products, processes and services to remain an industry leader and provide the best choice for customers, regardless of where they are in the process. Question number 2. What are the techniques of world-class manufacturing? The answer is: the techniques of world-class manufacturing are: make-to-order, streamlined flow, smaller lot sizes, collection of parts, doing it right first time, cellular or group manufacturing, total preventive maintenance, quick replacement. Question number 3. What are world-class companies? The answer is: world-class companies are defined as those who can compete through manufacturing by developing multiple capabilities all at once. Multiple improvements within a value chain of suppliers add up, and should ultimately provide a cumulative competitive advantage to the original equipment manufacturer. Question number 4. What are the principles of world-class manufacturing? The answer is: world-class manufacturing is guided by three main ideas. First, implementing just-in-time and lean management reduces wastage, lowering costs. Second, total quality management reduces defects and develops a zero-tolerance attitude toward them. Third, total preventative maintenance is used to prevent production from being halted due to mechanical breakdown. Question number 5. What are the aspects of world-class manufacturing? The answer is: the main characteristics of world-class manufacturing are: area of industrial culture, area of the market or client, area of product development, area of operations, and area of e-performance. Question number 6. How has world-class manufacturing evolved? The answer is: in recent years, the world-class manufacturing market has undergone substantial transformations. Businesses moved away from contributing content to websites without a defined aim in mind to exploiting content as a cash generator. The way individuals access and consume material, services, and digital experiences has influenced the evolution of world-class manufacturing. World-class manufacturing requirements in today's world are more dynamic, connected, and interactive. Content can no longer be attached to a certain channel due to the development of digital marketing and the proliferation of channels such as mobile, email, social, digital kiosks or displays, wearables, and messaging platforms. Question number 7. What is quality in world-class manufacturing? The answer is: world-class manufacturing is a cutting-edge concept used by business leaders around the world. One of the 9 pillars in this notion is directly tied to quality, while the other 8 are indirectly related to it. As a result, it's critical to look at the connections between this concept and the concept of the quality model. Question number 8. What is Deming's approach? The answer is: when it came to processing analysis and improvement, Deming advocated for the plan-do-check-act method. Emphasize training and education so that everyone can perform better at their employment. Use Kaizen as a model to cut waste and boost efficiency, effectiveness, and safety. Question number 9. What is frequency distributions? The answer is: a frequency distribution is a graphical or tabular representation that shows the number of observations within a specified interval. The interval size is determined by the data being examined and the analyst's objectives. The intervals must be mutually exclusive as well as comprehensive. In most cases, frequency distributions are utilized in a statistical setting. In general, the charting of a normal distribution is connected with frequency distribution. Question number 10. What is central limit theorem? The answer is: the central limit theorem asserts that as the sample size grows higher, the sample distribution approaches a normal distribution, commonly known as a bell curve, provided that all samples are equivalent in size and regardless of the population distribution shape. The central limit theorem is a statistical theory that states that given a sufficient enough sample size from a population with a finite level of variance, the mean of all samples from the same population will be about equal to the population mean. Furthermore, all of the samples will have a roughly normal distribution. Question number 11. What is probability? The answer is: probability is a discipline of mathematics concerned with numerical explanations of the likelihood of an event occurring or the truth of a claim. The probability of an event is a number between 0 and 1, with 0 indicating the event's impossibility and 1 indicating certainty. Question number 12, what is control chart? The answer is control charts, also known as Shewhart charts or process behavior charts, are statistical process control tools that are used to establish if a manufacturing or business process is under control. Control charts are more accurately described as the graphical device for statistical process monitoring. Question number 13, what is Toyota Production System? The answer is the Toyota Production System is a Toyota-developed integrated socio-technical system that includes its management philosophy and practices. The Toyota Production System is a management system for vehicle manufacturers that coordinate manufacturing and logistics, as well as interactions with suppliers and customers. Question number 14, what is lean manufacturing? The answer is lean manufacturing is a methodology for improving processes based on the well-known Toyota Production System. The elimination of waste from a value stream is the core focus of lean manufacturing. In this case, waste is defined as anything that consumes resources while providing no value to the client. When waste is removed from a value stream, it is possible to produce only the proper material, in the quantity needed by the client, at the precise right moment. As a result, the process is more efficient, and the product is delivered to the consumer faster. The parts of a value stream that bring value to the consumer usually make up a tiny percentage of the total. Question number 15. What is MUDA in world-class manufacturing? The answer is MUDA means overload or burden. It refers to working something over its capability, whether it's factory equipment or your workforce. Working anything above its capacity might result in a gradual decrease in output or possibly a complete shutdown. This can be disastrous depending on your industry and the nature of the systems in place. Question number 16. What is value stream mapping? The answer is the value stream mapping method allows you to visualize all of the processes in your work process in great detail. It is a diagram that depicts the flow of goods from the supplier to the client within your company. A software company, for example, provides value to its customers in the form of software solutions and all features contained within. Question number 17. What is Kaizen? The answer is Kaizen is a Japanese corporate philosophy involving practices that continuously improve operations and involve all personnel. It is a Japanese term that means change for the better or continuous improvement. Kaizen views productivity development as a thorough and steady process. Kaizen is a broad concept that incorporates a variety of principles. It entails building a team attitude, refining daily operations, assuring employee involvement, and making a job more satisfying, less stressful, and safer. Question number 18. What is the single-minute exchange of die? The answer is single-minute exchange of dies is a technique that drastically reduces the time it takes to replace our equipment. The single-minute exchange of dies system's goal is to make as many changeover procedures as possible external, done while the equipment is running, while simplifying and streamlining the rest. Question number 19. What is Kanban card system? The answer is a Kanban card is a depiction of a work item in visual form. It translates to visual, kan, card in Japanese, ban. It's an important part of the Kanban system because it indicates work that's been requested or is already underway. Question number 20. What is total productive maintenance? The answer is total productive maintenance is a method of equipment maintenance that attempts to improve productivity, efficiency, and safety to produce a perfect manufacturing process. 0 unplanned failures, 0 product defects, and 0 accidents are the 3 aims of TPM. These objectives are furthered by applying 8 pillars aimed at increasing productivity by ensuring reliability in the manufacturing process. An emphasis on providing a safe work environment through a planned workplace safety improvement strategy is one of these pillars. Employees are involved in developing workplace safety standards and maintaining a safe work environment as part of this process. Question number 21. What is strategic planning in world-class manufacturing? The answer is strategic planning is the process of developing specific business plans, putting them into action, and analyzing the results in terms of a company's overarching long-term goals or wants. It's a notion that focuses on a company's strategic goals being met through integrating several departments, such as accounting and finance, marketing, and human resources. The terms strategic planning and strategic management are almost interchangeable. Question number 22. What are the pillars of world-class manufacturing? The answer is, world-class manufacturing is based on 10 pillars. First is safety. Second is cost deployment. Third is focused improvement. Next is quality control. Then workplace organization. Then professional maintenance. Seventh is or customer service. Eighth is early equipment management. Then people development. Last is environment. Question number 23, what are the Shingo guiding principles? The answer is, some of the Shingo guiding principles are: respect every individual, lead with humility, seek perfection, improve flow and pull, focus on process, assure quality at the source, and embrace scientific thinking. Question number 24, what is frequency distribution? The answer is: a frequency distribution is a statistical tool that offers a visual depiction of the distribution of data within a test. Frequency distribution is frequently used by analysts to depict or interpret the data obtained in a sample. Children's height, for example, can be divided into numerous groups or ranges. When 50 children's heights are measured, some are tall and some are small, but the median range is likely to have a larger frequency or concentration. The most critical aspects of data collection are that the intervals employed do not overlap and that all possible observations are included. Question number 25, what is the performance gap? The answer is: a performance gap is a difference between the existing situation's performance and the desired situation's performance. It's the difference between what the target person or team does and what the firm anticipates. Question number 26, what are the benefits of value stream mapping? The answer is, some of the benefits of value stream mapping are: you can identify wasteful actions with the help of value stream mapping. Value stream mapping gives you a clear picture of the work process, including where value-adding and non-value-adding stages are formed. Visualizing how long it takes for work items to pass through them is also a valuable exercise. Value stream mapping emphasizes the present workflow while focusing on future enhancements. Question number 27, what do you understand by cutting-edge technology? The answer is: cutting-edge technology refers to technological devices, techniques or achievements that employ the most current and high-level IT developments. In other words, technology at the frontiers of knowledge. Leading and innovative IT industry organizations are often referred to as cutting-edge. Question number 28, what do you understand by maintenance load forecasting? The answer is: maintenance forecasting is considered as a major part of planning concerned with estimating the current and future amount of maintenance work and type needed. Such that maintenance load forecasting is considered as a complex task that involves a lot of uncertainties and is influenced by many factors like age of the equipment, rate of use, usage, skills of workers and climate. Question number 29, when is the moving range chart used? The answer is: moving range chart is used with limited data, such as when production rates are slow, testing costs are very high, or there is a high level of uncertainty relative to future projects. Question number 30, what are the steps of single-minute exchange of die? The answer is, the steps of single-minute exchange of die are: Step 1, identify pilot area. Step 2, identify elements. Step 3, separate external elements. Step 4, convert internal elements to external. Step 5, streamline remaining elements. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.